Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Employee Attendance Tracker in Google Sheets. This tracker comes in two theme options. We have the contrast theme, which uses bold and vibrant colors, and the neutral theme, which uses soft and pastel colors. Simply choose the theme that you prefer. This tracker contains a total of 16 tabs. The first tab is the Instructions tab. Here, you'll find the user guide and important information about the tracker. You can hide this sheet later by right-clicking the tab and selecting Hide Sheet, or move it to the end of the spreadsheet. The second tab is the Data Center. This is where you will encode your employees' information. The table includes employee name, ID number, role, department, and an extra column if you want to add additional information. You can add up to 500 employees here. Let's add a few employees as an example. Once you enter employee names and roles here, they will automatically appear across all monthly tabs, from January through December. The monthly sheets are fully automated, so there's no need to enter the same information multiple times. Now, in the future, if you want to remove an employee from your data center but still keep their records visible in previous months, there's an easy way to do that. Go to the Monthly tab where you want to preserve the employee's information, highlight the Names and Roles section, copy it, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus V to paste values only. This will remove the formulas while keeping the existing data. Just keep in mind that once you do this, that section of the tab will no longer be automated and will not update from the data center anymore. So, it's best to do this only when you need to preserve old records before removing an employee from your data center list. Before we discuss Performance Summary and Employee Attendance Report tabs, let's first take a look at the Monthly tabs. All monthly tabs use the same layout and format. At the top, you'll see the month, year, and total days for that specific month. Below that, you'll find the employee names and roles that were entered in the data center. This section is automated, so please be careful when navigating around it since it contains formulas. Above the attendance table, you'll see the attendance legends and drop-down categories. These are grouped into working days, non-working days, and other days, along with the available attendance options for each category. These terms are already connected to the tracker's formulas and calculations, so they should not be edited. The only section you'll need to work on is the attendance area in the middle of the sheet. Simply select the appropriate attendance status from the drop-down menu and update your employees' attendance records as needed. On the right side of the monthly sheet, you'll find the Attendance Report section. This area automatically calculates and summarizes each employee's attendance for the month, showing totals for every attendance category. Further to the right, you'll see the working days versus non-working days summary, which is also fully automated. Since both sections rely on formulas, please avoid editing them. The same setup applies to all 12 monthly tabs. Now, let's move on to the Attendance Report tab. This tab provides a detailed attendance summary for each employee. The only field you'll need to interact with is the Employee Name dropdown. Simply select the employee whose report you want to view, and the rest of the report will update automatically. Here, you'll be able to see a yearly summary of working day and non-working days categories. You'll also find charts that make it easier to visualize attendance records and compare attendance performance throughout the year. Further down, another chart provides a quick comparison between working days and non-working days, helping you analyze attendance trends at a glance. Next, let's take a look at the Performance Summary tab. Here, you'll find the top 10 employees with the highest attendance and the top 10 employees with the lowest attendance, based on their attendance records throughout the year. You can also view their attendance totals for each month, making it easy to track employee performance over time. If you notice employee names appearing in months that don't have attendance records yet, that's completely normal. The tracker automatically pulls employee names into every monthly tab, even if no attendance data has been entered for those months yet. You can simply disregard any months that don't have records yet. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find the Attendance of the Year section. This provides a quick overview of employee attendance performance for the entire year. This makes it easier to identify top performers, recognize employee consistency, and support attendance-based rewards or evaluations. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy using this tracker.